Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Joelle, and today we have a 10-minute yoga class to focus on strengthening and toning our abdominals, which I promise will not be as scary as it might sound. So let's get started right away on our backs. You can start by planting both feet and rolling all the way down. Close the eyes and rest the hands on top of the belly to start out. And let's just take a deep inhale through the nose, feeling the hands rise. And exhale, feeling them drop. And once you've done that, we'll transfer the hands behind the head, coming into sunbather arms so the elbows are falling away from each other. And again, take a deep breath in, filling the belly. And out, feeling everything contract. Take another deep breath in here. And then exhale to contract, and this time think about squeezing your lower back towards the mat. So squeezing through the glutes, contracting the abdominals, pressing everything down into the earth. And then release. And we'll take that a few more times. So on your next exhale, squeeze, contract, and press. Think about crushing something underneath your lower back. And release, and we'll just take that one more time here, so even harder. Think about squeezing and contracting everything, pressing it down, and release. Really nicely done. Let's leave the left foot where it is, and inhale your right knee up to tabletop, and then exhale to pull that right knee in towards the chest. Inhale back to tabletop, and exhale to tap those toes down. And again, inhale the right knee to tabletop, exhale, pull it in close, back to tabletop, and tap it down. Just one more time on this side. Tabletop, pull it in, send it back to tabletop, and set that right foot down. Just take one breath in between sides here. We've still got our sunbather arms going for us. Think about the elbows pressing down into the earth. And left side, so left knee comes up to tabletop on your inhale. Exhale to pull that knee in towards your heart and send it back to table. And tap those toes down. Two more. Table, pull it in, send it back, tap it down. Last time. Going at your own pace here, following your breath. And set that foot down. Beautiful. Remove the hands from behind the head. Open your arms out to the shape of a T, and let's bring both knees up to tabletop now, squeezing them in together. Take an inhale, and then on your exhale, drop both knees towards the right, but don't let them touch down. And then inhale them back to center. And on your next exhale, send them over towards the left, without touching the ground, and coming back. And take that a few times side to side, going at the pace of your breath. On the exhales, we drop to one side or the other, and on the inhales, we return to center. Just try one more on each side. Finishing it out. Back to center, really nice. Now we'll take both sets of toes and tap them down, lift them back up 3 more times, touch them down, back to table, 2 more. And you can do it. Last one. And pull those knees in towards the chest. Just give yourself a little hug, a little rock from side to side. Before rolling over onto our right side now, prop yourself up on your right forearm. We can bend both knees, so we're making a long straight line with the front of the body. And take your left hand and hold on to the right side of your ribs. Think about using this hand to lift yourself off of the mat. and then softly set yourself down. So we're pretending that it's the hand doing the work, but secretly it's really the abs that are helping us lift up and down here a few times. This is one of those that always feels a little bit harder to me than it looks. Let's just try one more time, lifting and lowering. Really nicely done. Let's extend through both legs. Reach your left arm up alongside your ear, and then we'll bring the left elbow and left knee to tap and extend everything out. And bring them back in, let them touch, send them away. 2 more times. And last one, pull them together. Reach them apart, really reach, make yourself as long as possible here. And then let that rest down. Let's take a little side stretch before we move on here. So just widen your right hand out a little bit to the side. We'll lift up into a side seal or side cobra. You're welcome to move your right hand further away from you just to give yourself a little bit more space if you'd like. Really breathing into the side of your abdominals, feeling a nice stretch here. Just one more breath. And let's release, bringing ourselves back towards the mat and over to the other side. So just swing your legs around, resting down onto the left hip and left forearm, finding that nice long line in the front of the body as you bend through the knees. Right hand comes to hold on to the left ribs, and we lift ourselves up and set ourselves down. And a few more. So you can exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower, looking for just that tiny little extra bit of lift each time. Just one more. And as you set yourself down, we can extend through both legs, really reaching them long. Right arm up alongside the ear, and this time right elbow and knee come to kiss. And lengthen those limbs away from each other. So we're still squeezing through the abs. We're staying nice and stable. That will help with any balance or wobbling issues. Last one. Send them away. Really reach, reach, reach. And then set everything down. Widen that left hand towards the corner of your mat so that we can come up into that side seal. Take a few breaths. Slowing things down for just a moment. It's well deserved. Let's roll ourselves into an all fours position now, shoulders above wrists, hips above knees. Once you've arrived, you might like to step it out a little bit side to side with those knees, just to get settled in. Now squeeze through the abs, pull your right knee towards your right wrist, and then set it back. And now left knee towards left wrist, and place it down. 2 more, just like this. Right side and left, keeping the body as still as possible, just moving that knee. Last one. Now slightly different. This time bring the right knee towards the right elbow, slide that knee down towards your wrist, pull it back up towards the elbow, and set it down. Now left knee to left elbow, slide it towards the wrist, slide it back up, and set it down. 2 more times on each side. Elbow, down to wrist, back to elbow, put it down, left side. And last time, right knee to right elbow, push it down, pull it up, set it back, left side, down to the wrist, back to the elbow, and put it back, and let's just stretch ourselves back into child's pose here. Sitting back towards your heels, forehead towards the mat. Roll yourself back up through tabletop. Swing the legs out in front of you so that we can come to a seated boat position. So in seated boat, we bring the knees back up towards 90 degrees. The toes are off of the mat. You could keep the fingertips alongside you, or perhaps reach them alongside your legs. We'll try those toe taps one last time, tapping them down, pulling the knees back up. 3 more. We're almost there. You can do it. And touch those toes down, pull them back up, hold here. If you'd like, you can even extend through the legs and point the toes. Last deep breath in. And exhale to set everything down. Come to a comfortable seat of your choice, just so that we can lean ourselves to one side. Again, feeling a nice deep stretch through the sides of your abs. And spring yourself over towards the other side. And last little thing, just take hold of your knees. Inhale the heart forwards. And exhale to round through the back. And sit yourself up nice and tall. Give yourself a little pat on the stomach, perhaps. Let's inhale the arms up overhead, palms to touch. And exhale them down in front of the heart, or even in front of the belly. Well done today. I hope you feel proud of yourself for those efforts. Those are not easy moves, but they are great ones to come back to. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this class, I'd love to invite you to join the full 7-day Yoga Jumpstart Challenge, which you can find by clicking right here. I also invite you, of course, to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can continue to meet on the mat for more practices to help you feel and move better.